Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a website in 10 minutes. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I talk about online business, income hacks, digital marketing, NFTs, and the metaverse. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this one. All right, step one, choose a name for your website. All right, head over to purpleblogprofits.com/make a website. All right, purpleblogprofits.com/make a website. All right, so the first step one, is to check domain availability, to check if the name you want for a website is available. All right, so we click on the button and it's loading. All right, we're going to type our desired domain name to see if it's available. All right, I'm checking Dr. Chair. Okay, web Dr. Chair. All right, I'm searching to see if it's available. All right, okay, it's loading and well, awesome, it's available. All right, don't buy it yet. I'm going to show you how to get this domain name for free, absolutely for free. All right, step two, so head back to the website purpleblogprofits.com/make a website. Right, step two, we need to purchase web hosting. All right, and we'll get that from this web hosting company, Bluehost. I've used them and I love their services. Okay, so we're going to choose the basic. All right, the basic starts at $2.95 per month. Okay, so next we need to set up that domain name that we found was available. Right, that was web Dr. Chair .com. I will click on next and I'll give it some time to load. Okay, all right, so the next thing we need to do is that we need to create an account with Bluehost. Okay, so we need to fill in this information. All right, first name, last name. Okay, please like and subscribe. All right, so fill in that and you scroll down and enter an email address. All right, okay. All right, so some of these package extras are not very necessary for beginners. Okay, so I'm going to choose that. I don't mind, I don't want this. I don't want code guard basic, I don't want that too. Now at the end, we notice that we have saved over $84 using this special link. All right, that's 70% off. All right, so we're going to pay just about $35. All right, next we need to enter our payment information. Okay, so enter your credit card number and CVV code, the expiry date. Then we scroll down once more, one more thing left. All right, then we need to check that we have read and agreed to Bluehost's terms and conditions. All right, and when we are done with that, we click on the submit button. Now step three, we need to get our website domain name. All right, but we already did that when we purchased web hosting and we got that for free. So we'll get on to step four, which is to install WordPress. Right, now we need to click on install WordPress and check domain name. For step four, we need to install WordPress. Okay, so we need to check that we already want to install WordPress and then check our domain name to enter it in the box and check it. And then last step, we need to agree to terms and conditions and click on install now, and WordPress is installed. That was quite easy. For step five, we need to work and install and customize our WordPress theme. Okay, so just logged in into my Bluehost dashboard right now. Okay, and okay, it's taking some time to load. All right, I'll have to log into WordPress. All right. Okay, so click on log into WordPress, and when we do that, we log into our new website. So it's loading, and it's loading. All right, awesome. It's done loading. Okay, so you can just look around and see how your new site looks like. All right, by the way, another way to log into your website is to click on visit your domainname.com/wp admin. All right, it should take you to a page where you could log in to view your website. All right, so that's our dashboard. Now we need to head over to appearance and themes on the left hand side of our dashboard. Okay, we look around, see themes that may suit our website. Okay, click on this blue button to add a new theme to our website. Okay, so I'm going to search right now to see what theme I want. So I click on Astra, install. Then we'll have to click again to activate. All right, so that's clicking twice to install and then to activate the theme. All right, so scroll down. We'll need a plugin, all right, to help us customize the Astra theme that we installed. So I'll click on plugins, then get to add new. Okay, I'm searching for a plugin called starter templates. Awesome. All right, that's it's over there. So starter templates, Elementor, Gutenberg, and Beaver building. So click on install now, and also we'll have to activate it one more time. All right, so activating. Awesome. So that will take some time. Great. It's done. Okay, so we'll just scroll right down to find the plugin that we just installed, the starter templates, and we'll click to see library. All right, so when you click to see the library, we need to select a page builder, and we'll go for Elementor because it makes this so super easy, so super easy. All right, so these are different page templates. Some are free, some are premium, which means that they are paid. So I'll just scroll right down to find one that suits what I have in mind. Okay, I think I love this. I think I'll go for it. Okay, yeah, so you click on it and you see you could preview the site, you could import the complete site, you could import some parts of the site, all right, as templates. All right, so these work as templates for you. I think I'm just going to import the complete site. So I click on that, and it says our website is being imported. All right, so skip to import, and I'm a new, okay, yeah, I'm an expert, and I'm building a website for myself. All right, so click on next. So you could simply skip this part by clicking the skip button down there, and then you enter your email account and submit. All right, so it's importing successfully. Awesome. So we click to view how our website looks like. Okay, all right, so this is how our new website looks like. Currently this is also just on the 10th minute mark. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. It helps the algorithm to push the video for others too. Okay, so we need to customize this website. All right, so um it's quite easy, so just give it some time, and when it's done loading, let me see. Let's see. Okay, so you see the little pen like button on each of the elements. When you click on it, it's going to give you prompt you and give you options to edit what you want to work on. All right, so we could change this logo or even remove it totally. All right, if you don't want it there. Okay, so we're going to scroll down. I could upload an image or visit the media library, or even check out free images. These are free high definition images courtesy of Pixabay. So I could download this, and it's loading. Okay, we could crop the image, right? Yeah, just about that is fine. Okay, let's select, then we click on publish. Click on publish. It's going to take some time to reflect the new changes that we just made, right? But you could always go around and see what other changes you would love to make to the website. Okay, all right. Okay, I've removed this, and all right, so awesome. So you see the new logo has just appeared. All right, don't forget to like this video and subscribe, please. Thank you. Okay, all right, so now if we want to work on the header, you see these buttons we see on top: home, all courses, about, contacts. Just have to click the blue button and we can edit it. All right, so you're customizing header builder. All right, it's saving. Okay, it's taking quite some time. All right. Okay, so feel free to play around with this stuff. All right, you could always undo any necessary changes that you made. If you feel that it's not good enough, you could always undo it, and redo it, so all right, so when we're done with the customizations, this is taking quite some time. Okay, so if you look at the base of this page, you can see that we could work on the headers or even the footers, depending on what you want to work on at any particular time, right? Okay, that's about that. And also, if you look at the lower left hand side of the page, you see three icons: a PC, a tablet, and a mobile phone. When you click on it, it's going to show you the view of this website on those devices. Okay, yep, that's about that. All right, so leave a comment down below. What was the easiest part of this process that you love when it comes to making your own website? All right, so leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. It helps the algorithm to show this video to other people who might find it helpful. All right, currently I'm on a 100-day challenge where I'll be posting videos and tutorials every day for the next 100 days, and it's a challenge. I hope I get to meet up with that, and so it's quite an exciting process for me. All right, so this, yep. All right, so don't forget, I'm going to leave the link for you to visit the page purpleblogprofits.com/make a website. All right, the page where you get access to the first two steps in creating your own website.